And so, you know what code switching is? You act this way here and you act that way over there. And a little bit of code switching is good for us. That's the kind that helps us navigate different environments so we can be successful in a school and a place of employment and when we're shopping and when we're talking to our neighbor. Some code switching, that's good. But a lot of code switching, or when you have to live your whole life code switched out, at some point the code switching becomes assimilation, where you can become invisible even to yourself, where it hurts and taxes the mental health, well-being, and success of the kids before us. So how do we generate a healthy level for positive relational well-being, but not overly burden our students? And to understand that folks from different backgrounds, experiences, and so forth will experience the same space and the same good intentions that we have differently.